gonna show you guys how I get an eyelash literally on in 1, 2. What I told you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you old, what's poppin'? If you new, what's up? So I know y'all saw I got a new intro.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you like that, comment down below. But in today's video, as you can see, I'm missing an eyelash. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get an eyelash literally on in 1, 2, 3, like that. So if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It should be over there with the notification. And we're gonna get right into this video, guys. So stick around. All right, so you're gonna start off with your eyelash glue. I use the Duo. I love the Kiss, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, it has a little brush on the end of it, which is the best for what I'm about to show you. You get your lashes. These lashes I purchased off of Amazon, but you can use any type of lashes. And yes. The Dutchman's treasure! Wow. I love these lashes, as you can see. These lashes make me so happy. They're so dramatic, just like me. So you're just gonna pick up your lashes, like so. And these are the tweezers you can use, but you're not gonna need this one, so just, you know, just throw that away. So yeah. All right, so you're just gonna take the eyelash glue and put one layer on your eyelid like so, just following the natural shape of your eye. Or you can put 2, just put 1. And then you're gonna wait 10 seconds.
10 seconds later.
So now you're just gonna put the eyelash right on your eyelid. I don't know why I kept blinking a lot. I don't know, but it's sticking. You see that? It sticks right away, by the way. So if you made a slight mistake, then it's gonna be a little hard to fix that. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna put it on. Now after I got the eyelash on, I just like to push my eyelids down a little bit so it could look like it's growing from my eyes, even though we know it's not. But yeah, oh my god, I think I got a little eye booger in the corner. But anyway, you see that little illusion I got going on? Just gonna repeat that on the other side. All right, guys, as you can see, I put my eyelashes on in like 1, 2, 3. What I told you. So it was honestly very easy. Like I said, any type of lashes you want, any type of tweezers. I just prefer these. I don't know why, maybe because I was doing individuals on myself. Get a glue with a brush on it, trust me. A glue with a brush on it is less messy, trust me. And I put it on and literally wait 5 seconds. That's what I meant, 5 seconds. Just wait 5 seconds. And if you don't want to wait 5 seconds, wait 10 seconds. But did you see, this ain't going nowhere, baby. This all day, every day. Period. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. And I'm out, guys. Bye.